Hi, I'm Peter Stick, heading up product management back with Hasselblad. I'm here in New York City to introduce our latest flagship in the H camera line, the H5D. We're meeting the industry here in a very nice environment, studio environment, and this gives us an opportunity to get into questions, discuss matter, needs of new stuff, and get our products in the hands of the people who need to make decisions of how to move forward in professional photography.
My name is Brian O'Neill Hughes. I'm the Senior Product Manager for Photoshop, and I also evangelize Lightroom. And this is my third time doing Shoot NYC. I also did the Shoot LA event. And I've never been more involved than I have this last time. I did a session yesterday for 90 minutes on Lightroom and Photoshop, both for photographers. And then today we went deep just on Photoshop CS6 for photographers. So a lot of time in the software, all demos, no slides, lots of interaction with the crowd, lots of questions. Always a fantastic event.
My name is Beth Taubner, and this is the second year that I've been speaking for Shoot NYC, and it's been a really fantastic experience. This year I was talking about how to define your brand and expand into new markets. I'm always looking at things kind of from the inside out, so I want to know from a meaning level who you are, what you're doing, how you bring your stuff out into the world. So what's been really great for me here today is that the audience was really hungry for this information, and they were a stupendous audience, really thankful, involved, totally into what we were talking about. And I think that every year it is getting better and better, and it's just great to be involved. I'm really thankful that Colin asks me, and I'm happy to do it anytime he asks.
I'm John Harrington. I'm here at Shoot NYC. Very excited to be here and talk about contracts, licensing, copyright, and negotiations. I've been doing this for about 20 odd years, author of the book Best Business Practices for Photographers, and this is actually my first time here at Shoot NYC, so I'm really excited to see a lot of the things that Hasselblad and Braun have to offer. It's a very interesting model to kind of bring folks together with this higher end equipment, higher end caliber of speakers and gear to show off and really let people understand what's going on in the photo community at that kind of higher level, really just taking it up. And so Shoot NYC really seems to me to be a really interesting thing, and we've got some interesting speakers. I know Chase Jarvis, Vincent LaFerre are coming, as well as Lindsay Adler is going to be here. They've asked me to talk. My talk is being sponsored by APA, so I'm very excited about that, and thanks to APA for sponsoring my talk so that I could be here and talk to people about the contracts, licensing, and copyright. So thanks so much for coming out.